I'm so sorry about what happened.
Oh my god!
I'm so sorry about what happened.
McGillicuddy at hotmail.com.
He's got a dog. He's
I'm
walking
so
his
sorry
dog.
your dad touched you and nobody else knows about it except me.
I'm so sorry. What's about to happen to your pet? And you just walk away quickly, and then he's like, and then he looks down, and his dog is just ripped in half.
Oh. I'm so sorry what's about to happen to your dog. Anyway, have a good day.
I was thinking, but like you would walk away really fast and like around an like down, like way down, and he's like looking at you, and like you're walking down the street, you quickly turn into an alleyway, and then a couple seconds later you're sprinting out, pistol foot, like literally like your arm extended straight, and you're running at top speed, just shooting.
I'm running at him and blindly firing.
Fuck you! Fuck your dog! I fucking hate your dog!
Oh, fuck, dude.
Damn it, bro.
Josh! I can't hear shit. Yeah, I straight up can't hear shit.
I got him. Last one.
Nice up there.
That's so fucking funny. I'm so sorry about what's about to happen to your dog.
I'm so sorry for what's about to happen to your dog.
He's like, huh? Looks down. His dog is like ripped in half. Like somebody grabbed him by the jaw and ripped down where it's like down his stomach, peeling him open like a banana.
quickly out of the tree line, sprints on all fours a Wendigo, and it just picks up his dog and then runs back into the trees.
Oh god!
He's peeled straight down.
Like grabbing a dog's jaw and then peeling down like a banana.
I'm so sorry for what's about to happen.
You're just like looking at it like,
Like, oh, my fucking dog!
You're just like, oh, whoa, jeez.
What did he do to my dog?
You're
You,
just like,
you
oh,
look
geez,
completely
ugh.
normal, and you're like, "Oh, hey, I'm sorry about what's about to happen to your dog," and then you instantly, no motion for this whatsoever.
dumbass
You
Molly the
In like
software.
3
you
frames.
pop into a Gary's Mod like you're holding a fizz gun, and then you grab you grab their dog. You legit look like you're being controlled with a mouse and keyboard, and then you fling his dog away, and then you beat up down the road.
His dog does like Gary's Mod ragdoll just straight up. He's like
Literally like
Fucking hell.
thrown.
what the fuck?
What the fuck?
My dog!
Dog. I haven't laughed that hard.
Now,
in a
I beg
while.
you, what you want?
Bro,
Alright. That's it
could
for me.
not. You fucking were just. How were you steady wheezing? Like, how?
It's pretty funny.
It's
How do you do that?
What do you mean? Just imagine me.
Yeah, he's a fucking balloon.
No, he's a tea kettle.
Josh.
It ain't all that, bro.
Josh.
What?
Shut up.
Dude, it's too funny.
The fuck?
Fuck you. Fuck your dog.
Fuck you.
I fucking hate your dog. I'm gonna kill your dog. I swear to God.
Josh. Shut the fuck up. Jesus. What is wrong with you? Legitimately.
I can't stop. It won't stop. What the fuck? I've been laughing for goddamn 10 minutes straight.